Hello friends, I'm very happy to see all through this video. This is Manigaran Krishnamurthy. In this video, we are going to analyze how today market was performed. Okay, I'm not a semi-registered analyst. Do your own analysis before you trading in the stock market, friends. Okay. And the morning, the SJ Nifty was showed almost flat to gap up opening. After opening in our market, Nifty and Bank Nifty opened gap up opening was seen in the both index. Almost as we can see here, Nifty 50 was the previous closing price was 17,540, but today market was open 17,000 around this 17,600 level. In the case of Bank Nifty, previous closing price was 39,000 sorry 39,500 around, but today market was open around 39,500 level. Okay, after gap up opening, the market was not able to break even yesterday's closing price in the Nifty. As we can see here, for the past 3 4 days, I was continuously telling that the 17,400 and 17,800 level will act as a strong support and resistance level. If market is not either it has to break 17,800 level, or the market should break 17,400 level. If market is not able to break this level, we cannot see any big rally, okay, either on the upside or downside. Yesterday, I have showed in the pre-market report analysis video. See, the market was opened around 17,000, 17,600 level, right? So after opening, if you see the 10 minutes candle, you see here it's kind of doji types of candle being formed in the 10 minutes. Okay, which this kind of candle shows that there is no clear direction. Okay, if you see any kind this kind of candle like a doji type of candle, so it is indecisions. The buyers and sellers are not in a clear direction, so that this kind of candles have been formed. Okay, if you draw the trend line between the yesterday's swing high to low, once the market opening at around 9:15, within 10 minutes, the doji types of candle have been formed. Um, Actually, we have to wait for the 10 minutes, okay, to see the candles formation. Okay, if this kind of candles formed in the morning itself, so we can assume that the market is not moving on the upside or downside. We can see it's a range bound market or sideways market. See, yesterday candle within 10 minutes, we can see there is a big and engulfing candle have been formed within the 10 minutes. In addition to that, we couldn't see any wicks on the downside. So this shows clearly the market is going towards the upside. But if you see here today candle 10 minutes candle, so on the small body with big on the both side of upside side and downside. We can call it as a wick or a shadow, upper shadow or lower shadow. Once it break this trend line, one can go short here by keeping tight stop loss. We cannot expect more than 50 points because there is a resistance here. Yesterday I have clearly mentioned that yesterday's closing price and opening price will act as support and resistance level. So here this was the yesterday's opening price This is the yesterday's opening price. After open, the market went up almost 200 points, then came to day's lows and then took support here. Okay, and market ended around 17,560 level. So if you follow the levels that I have given in yesterday's analysis video, definitely you would have made profit. But today was very tough and boring days because the market was trading within almost 100 points, not more than that. So it's a very tough day for the option buyer, but the option sellers would have made a fantastic profit. However, the VIX was shooting up and it was up and down, so we couldn't see any clear direction. But at the end of the day, the VIX was crashed minus 0.32 percentage. So the traders are looking the U.S. unemployment data. Today evening, the unemployment data came. The expected value for the unemployment rate is 0.5 percentage, but the actual value has been released. The actual value is 3.7. So this indicate that this value is looking market is going to be bearish, but at presently the US market trading almost 100 points above to the yesterday's price. We don't know what is the reason. Actually, this value 3.7 forecast is generally negative or is bearish for the USD dollar, while the lower the value forecast by the economist generally supported to the bullish. That means if the values comes below the expectation, that is good for the USD dollar. If the actual value is higher than the expected value, that is generally not support to the USD dollar, and the market take it as a negative view, so the market can fall. But at presently the US market Nasdaq almost 1.1 percentage up, and SG Nifty was indicating 150 points higher compared to the our closing price, almost 0.83 percentage. All other European market, some of the markets ended in green, some of the market ended in red. So another interesting to note that the gold price shoot up almost 0.8 percentage, 420 points shoot up, and the silver almost 2.2% shoot up, and the crude price was crashed. That may be the reason why the HG Nifty was uh, trading above our market closing price. Okay. So today the FIs sold only 8 crores worth of shares. They have sold, but DIs have sold almost 660 crores worth of shares. So let's see on the Monday. So just you can see the levels that I have given in yesterday's video. If you don't watch that video yet, please go and watch it. Then only you can um, uh, know the levels how it was worked. So exactly the levels that I have marked in this video was exactly market was respected, and it took the support and went to the day's high. Again, the market was not able to break day's high, then fell down. Okay, and finally Nifty was down 58 points. Okay, India VIX was also crashed. So let's see tomorrow weekly and monthly chart analysis videos. If you really like my video, please subscribe. If you really like, you can share this video to your friends who want to learn about the stock market. Thank you so much, friends, for your support, and okay, thank you.